all for the kiddos.
Your destination is on the right.
And welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are at
the Connecticut Trolley Museum.
So come along with us and see what we can see. You go into the museum shop and it's $12 per adult. They do have discounts for military, which is about half off. And of course half off for retired and ex-military as well.
Hi everybody, I'm Teddy the Trolley Critic. Hope you are enjoying your visit back in time. Check out our craft table, the Dress Up Imagination Center, and the wee trolley, all for the kiddos.
The visitor center trolley cars and other electronic traction vehicles are included in the price of your admission. Now this includes an 1894 steeple cab electric freight locomotive and a railway company executive car on a static display. Now some of the cars are open for visitors to climb aboard, and others have just viewing platforms to peek inside. Historical information about the local Hartford and Springfield Street Railway is on exhibit, featuring a large map with photos of information about the towns serviced by the H&S, from again 1902 to about 1926. You might even recognize some familiar places in your town if you live in Connecticut. Now there are some vending machines in the visitor center, as well as some ice cream treats that are sold at the gift shop. And of course there are handicapped available restrooms, baby changing stations, and water fountains, if you need them. Before leaving the visitor center, I highly suggest you check out their little movie theater. The day we were there, we saw Trolley, the cars that built our cities. It was a very neat and very informative video.
These seats actually rock. They're the most comfortable theater seats I've ever sat in.
I think we may have found Bigfoot. On site, there's also the Connecticut Fire Museum and Connecticut Motor Coach Museum. The owner-operators are the Connecticut Antique Fire Apparatus Association, and they organized in 1968 and later incorporated in 1971. The organization is dedicated to the preservation and appreciation of antique fire apparatus and associated equipment. They have a lot of fire engines here. See what I mean? They even squeezed in a couple electric trolley buses. They still have lots of restoration projects in the works. So if anybody out there who wins the lottery and wants to donate, there you go. On the day that we were here, we weren't allowed in the Cali barn, but we could peruse. This is where we pick up the trolley to do the trolley rides. This trolley ride, which we enjoyed at the museum, follows the path of the Hartford and Springfield Street Railway's Rockville branch, which started its operations in 1901 with the merger of a few smaller street railroad companies. The system was made up of some 40 miles of track, connecting the local street railway systems of Hartford and Springfield. Unfortunately, the trolley service was discontinued in 1926 as the company went into foreclosure due to mounting debt. And they even have an awesome little wooden train area that the little kiddies can play in. Woo-hoo! So tell me, what do you two think about the Connecticut Trolley Museum?
Pretty good. Got 2 books and a lot of rare stuff here.
It was a really great day.
Well, that about does it for us here at the Connecticut Trolley Museum. Don't forget to come back. There's plenty more fun here in Connecticut to see. And as always, have a great day.